What's up, guys? Have you ever wondered if your neighbor's lawnmowers or your own workspace are actually loud enough to damage your ears over time? On Tech Product, we are looking at a digital sound level measurement tool that gives you the answers you need. It is widely considered the best portable noise meter for everyday users. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the FNIRSI FDM01 portable noise meter, you can see right away that this is not just a basic gadget. FNIRSI designed this tool for anyone who needs to know exactly how much noise is around them at any given time. Whether you are a professional concerned about safety or someone who just wants to check the acoustics in your home theater, this device is built to be helpful. At the heart of this tool is a high-sensitivity 6mm condenser microphone. This is a very important part of the design, because a condenser microphone is much better at picking up subtle vibrations in the air compared to standard ones. It ensures that every sound, from a quiet whisper in a library to a loud shout on a construction site, is captured with incredible precision. It is engineered to pick up sound efficiently while maintaining measurement stability, even if the acoustic settings around you are constantly changing. The FitBuds HDM01 portable noise meter really shines when you look at its wide measurement range. It can track sounds all the way from 30 to 130 decibels. To give you an idea of why that matters, 30 decibels is about the sound of a very quiet whisper or rustling leaf, while 130 decibels is close to the sound of a jet engine taking off. This broad scale allows you to assess almost any environment you might find yourself in. To make these readings as accurate as possible, the device uses a dual-gear dynamic scale system. You can think of this like the gears in a car that shift to keep the engine running perfectly. This system ensures that the decibel reading stays smooth and precise even when the sound intensity jumps around. It prevents the numbers from flickering wildly and gives you a solid figure that you can rely on for your data. Another feature that makes the FitBuds FDM01 so user-friendly is the clear overload indicator system. Sometimes it is hard to tell if the device is actually reading the sound or if the environment is simply too loud or too quiet for the sensor. FitNursi solved this by adding over and under symbols that appear directly on the screen. If the sound levels go above the 130 decibels limit, the over icon pops up to let you know the environment is too loud for an accurate measurement. On the flip side, if things are quieter than 30 decibels, the under icon shows up. This visual alert system takes the guesswork out of the process and helps you understand exactly when you are within the optimal limits of the device. It significantly improves how you interpret the data and makes the whole experience much less confusing for beginners. The interface itself is very easy to read, with a clear display that shows you exactly what is happening in real time. You do not have to dig through complicated menus just to see the numbers. The detection system is also very responsive, meaning as soon as a loud noise happens, the screen updates almost instantly. This is great for catching peak noise levels that might only last for a second or two. When you open the box, you will be happy to see that the battery is already included. This might seem like a small thing, but it is actually really convenient because it means you can start measuring sound levels the moment you get it. There is no need to run to the store or search through your junk drawer for the right batteries before you can test it out. The design of the FNIRSI FDM01 portable noise meter is another big selling point. It is compact and very portable, which is perfect if you need to carry it around a large office building or take it with you on a trip. It fits comfortably in one hand and can easily slide into a pocket or a small tool bag. Even though it is small, it feels sturdy and well made, so you do not have to worry about it being too fragile for everyday use. FNIRSI really found a great balance between making something that is professional enough for a workplace but simple enough for a home hobbyist. It is a reliable choice for anyone who needs consistent and clear noise level assessment without a steep learning curve. Whether you are checking if your new dishwasher is as quiet as the box promised or making sure your workplace meets safety standards, this tool gets the job done quickly. Knowing exactly how loud your environment is can help you protect your hearing and improve your overall comfort. Check the price link in the description to see how you can grab one for your own toolkit. If you enjoyed this look at a really handy gadget, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.